As we move into Unit 5, we will examine the early years of the Republic. We will explore the political, economic, social, and cultural changes that shaped and reshaped the fledgling nation between 1790 and 1820. The colonial period and the Revolution had created a deep rooted fear of strong central governments, a fear reflected in the Articles of Confederation, as we saw in Unit 4. But the failure of the Articles created a countervailing fear of a central government that was too weak to be effective. The Constitutional Convention sought to balance the two perspectives through a series of compromises, but the questions were far from settled as the country moved into the 1790s. Unit 5 begins with a discussion of the early partisan divide between the Federalists, who supported a stronger central government, and the Democratic Republicans, who opposed it. We will focus in particular on the role of Alexander Hamilton and Thomas Jefferson in the anger that threatened to split the nation. We will explore the first successful transfer of political powers between parties, as well as the steady growth of federal power, regardless of which party was in office. Our political discussion will end with the War of 1812, a war with Great Britain that threatened the survival of the United States, but ultimately ended in stalemate. So now let's turn to the period from 1790 to 1820 to see how the country developed after the Revolution. In the process, you will continue the development of historical thinking skills by combining the three skills we have practiced so far: historical empathy, primary source analysis, and perspective taking, into an overarching historical argument about why historical actors responded to their circumstances in different ways. The implications are profound. So let's get started.